This is the most expensive backpack I've ever owned. Let's get it unboxed. Alright guys, so this is the Coalax Lancer 300. It is a content creator's dream backpack, I would say. I got the biggest bundle, so let's get it unboxed and show you guys what's inside and how to set this up. So the thing about riding EUC and holding a selfie stick, I know, like, riding an EUC, the goal with the riding an EUC was always to have one hand free, and that's either carrying something or the selfie stick. But now that I've been riding for a year now, you kind of notice that, yeah, when you're going faster speeds, selfie stick is extended pretty long. You do kind of lose a little bit of balance. So I got this backpack, which has a drone bag, which I also just got into, and two selfie sticks on the sides. So you will be absolutely riding hands-free with this backpack. The power bank, it comes with the power bank that can power up all your devices. It does add a little heft to it, so it does get pretty heavy. But let's see what's all in the box. You have the humongous modular power station. This is going to power up all your devices if you are filming on the go. We got the bungee kit also, so you can attach water bottles or anything that you want if you're on a hiking trip filming content. We got the portable solar panel as well, so you can charge stuff on the go or charge the power bank as well if that is also low in the power. And here's the backpack itself. Initially, when I was carrying the box, I was kind of surprised of how heavy it is. Then again, I thought that this power bank adds majority of the weight. And now that, I am carrying it on the floor, and it does seem a little bit lighter. But then again, we do have a lot of stuff. We do have a lot of stuff here as well. You got the accessory chest bag that we need to install, and then inside here should be, just unclip that, the selfie sticks. So we got Velcro separators. If you want like custom storage for your bag, you could do that as well. And this version comes with the two magic arms. So you got two inside the backpack. To add more stabilization when you are carrying a bunch of gear, we have the hip strap. You can add it on later. And that looks like this little pouch here, which is also on this side, comes with a rain poncho. So if you are backpacking in light rain, you can cover up your backpack as well. Alright, so this is the drone protective bag. Basically, you unclip the clips on each side, and then take these straps off in the front, and then pull it right out. You have your drone, and then that's it for the bag right now. Let's go ahead and open the magic arms. This is what it looks like. Basically, it's just a tube holder that grip part, hold it down so it screws on, and then tie in the grip part, and then lock in your selfie stick. That. Alright, so then we're gonna clip on the drone bag again and unbox the other accessories that we have. So that is what it's looking like right now. Still fairly light. With all the gear that I do carry with the EUC, it does tend to get very, very heavy. But oh my god, this thing is ridiculously heavy. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to ride this on my smaller EUCs because I'm already wearing a lot of gear, and just to add extra weight to this bad boy. So without the box, for some reason it feels a lot lighter. You got 300-watt power. See if I can get a close up of this. 300-watt power in case you do need to take a longer shoots. It comes with a 2-prong power, three prong with ground, a 100-watt USB-C, 60-watt USB-C, a 12-volt plugs, and the regular 3.0 USBs. And what you're gonna do pretty much is you're just gonna slide it on here, and it locks into place just like that. It does have a flashlight on the side as well. So if you guys do like camping, you could use this for a camping backpack as well, and it'll provide you with enough power, not all night, but in case you need it. And just to take it off, in case you need to take it off, there's a latch on this side where the handle is, where it sits right on the latch itself. And just press it down and hear the click, and it'll pop right out. Also with the power bank comes our charger, which is just what is this? 15 volts, 4 amp charger. This looks like a charger for the V6 or the M104. I don't know whichever one it is, but it looks very wimpy. But you can charge it overnight. Make sure you guys do charge the battery before use, because that's what usually everyone tells you to do, is to charge all your devices before use. So we're just gonna go ahead and charge that. We have the Molly system. I'm not gonna use this right now, so I'm not gonna open it. But basically, if you have other drones and such, you can connect it to the Molly system here on the side and such, where you can carry more stuff. And then this is the solar panel, 25-watt solar panel. You can unfold it right here on top and either charge your devices. I think we stopped recording there, but yeah, but that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Lancer 300. They do have a TSA version, so you could take the power bank and take it with you overseas or something if you're gonna travel with it. But make sure if you do have both, you don't use the 300 watt, because the 300 watt one is not TSA compatible. But yeah, we're gonna try to set this up with our 360 camera or our Pocket 3 and see how, and go for a ride, and hopefully we don't crash. And actually, we do have another one, which is the chest bag accessory. So you can actually either put it on your chest to carry more stuff, or if you don't want the extra bulky weight, you could replace the battery pack with it and just have it on this instead of the battery pack if you're not planning to shoot all day. Or and have it on, like, create I am going to try to create more content for you guys in the year 2026. So if you like EUC content, unboxing content, go ahead and watch the video, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy JB signing out. Peace.